Camera action.
Hi, I'm Angelica Rod. I'm Angelica Di Roldan. I'm 16 years old, and date of birth ko.
English. Why speaking Tagalog? I don't understand that.
I'm sorry, I cannot answer you.
I'm sorry.
Yes.
Why?
Why? Because.
Ano?
No comment.
No comment.
No comment for that.
What the hell are you talking about?
Why?
Why? Because your speaking English is too wrong.
Wrong.
Yes. You speak English is wrong.
I mean,
Right.
because speaking English. I mean, what?
Because my speaking.
Because my speaking is right, you know.
I don't know.
Am I right?
I'm right. Who cares?
Poster. What the hell are you talking about in English?
Oh yes. And you?
Ito na naintindihan.
Oh you and you? What are you talking about?
Me? I'm talking about because...
No, the Carabao, the Carabao.
Ano ba sabi ko?
Ay mo, me?
Me?
No. Yung ano yun?
Carabao? Yung damo? Yung damo?
The mo. What is the mo?
Leaves.
Oh my gosh, that's
Like
deep.
that. You cannot I borrow like that.
What?
Borrow.
Borrow.
Wag na. Because it's people like because people it's over there.
Oh my gosh.
Ikaw, like this is leaves, not the mo, you know.
Oh yes. Oh really?
Yes, I'm really because
The English pa.
really. Oh my.
Oh no. What's that?
El piano.
Huh?
Very social.
Huh? English.
Are you talking about like that?
What get?
Get
What get? Talking about get?
because I'm not crazy you.
Oh my gosh. You? Use your mind, not your brain.
It's damaged.
Oh, your mind is damaged. Oh my gosh. Why applying in the business?
The business?
If your mind is damaged.
No. Damaged it's the brain.
Not your mind.
Yes, not me.
Eddie,
The mind.
Eddie, your brain is and you are crazy.
I'm not crazy because
What?
the brain is not damaged.
Oh my god. The brain is not damaged and your mind is damaged.
Yes, because ano ba isang katulad ng iba dyan,
Not like others.
because like not others, it's the brain is damaged.
It's the brain.
Wala ko.
Uy!
Ay.
Are you crazy?
It's not. It's not crazy.
Why are you pasagasa in the car?
Because it's not free.
It's
It's
not
not
free.
free in the gate,
In the mirror.
in the mirror. No, I'm not mirror.
Mirror?
The gate.
What? Ano yun? Where are we? Where are we?
Where are we? In the municipio
Of?
of Tiger City.
Oh my gosh, what's mean of Tiger City? What's the mean of Tiger City?
I know.
I know.
Ano yung Sarah?
I don't know.
I don't know. I don't know to meaning the Tiger City.